is my favorite. Now you might have seen this one already online because I finished it a little while ago, but I have a few hats that need to be finished. I've got a purple one and a red one that need to be finished for this shop update, which is happening on Saturday the 30th, is that right? No, the 29th, so Friday the 29th. This video goes out on the Saturday. So I'm gonna finish those and I will catch up with you guys in a bit. Hello everyone and welcome back. So this week is a shop update. So we have a few hats, so I'll show you those just now. This one is a mushroom design in gold, red and blue. Super cute. Very Christmassy. All I need to do is seal this hat and she is ready to go tomorrow. So there we go. Very cute mushrooms. Love mushrooms. This one we have is a snake design. You'll see it's got like a shiny purpley, bluey, tealy metallic. Very cute. Blues, purples, greens, and the underneath as well. Very cute, shiny. Everybody loves shiny, glittery things at Christmas. You cannot go wrong with a bit of sparkle. So here's the purple one. Love it. I love all my hats, but this one is my favorite. Now you might have seen this one already online because I finished it a little while ago, but green, gold, and burnt orange with roses. I just love the green and gold. Oh, there's also moons, but I love the green and gold. The green and gold is my favorite and probably the most popular. I can hear Spike crying at the door because he wants in. But yeah, the most popular. So guys, I have 3 one-of-a-kind hats ready to rock and roll. So you guys will be seeing this on Saturday. I went live last night at 6 o'clock. You can grab one of these hats. We also have a large stock of LOTR hats going in. So grab them while you can because these hats will all go out and you'll get them before Christmas. So, guys, as always, thank you for coming and hanging out. And I will see you next week. Make sure to hit the like button because the more times that happens, the more these videos get out there and I can keep creating free content for you guys. So, thanks very much for coming and hanging out and I will see you next time.